mutumbo. Here, have some crickets. Today, crickets are on the menu. Ah!
We're gonna jump out.
You're nowhere near any of them, mutumbo. Lord of mercy.
How do they survive in the wild?
They don't. They all just die.
That's great to put in a YouTube video.
I don't think they're morbidly obese in the wild either. He feels it on him.
Oh, I think he got one.
He did get one. I was about to put my finger there. You can do it, mutumbo. They're hitching rides on you. He feels them. He's trying to get that one off of his side. Almost. A little closer. A little closer, mutumbo. You can do it. I have faith in you. Oh my goodness. Don't give up now. Don't give up, mutumbo. I left my tongs in there.
Your camera makes them look really green.
Well, also with the fun.
Come on, they're in that corner. Just
Get that one. Last time I did this, I almost got my finger snatched. Have you seen Mutombo's teeth?
Mm-hmm.
Them suckers are huge. It's on your head. He felt it. You see him wipe his head.
He's gonna go for me, so I'm watch out.
You can do it. He was trying to eat my hands the whole way down the stairs. And that's when he burped at me. You can do it.
Does it mean anything when you do that?
He was angry. I don't know. He wanted to eat me. He was hungry. He was hangry. Come, Dumbo. Don't get mama. Whoop, whoop. Oh, you got him. Don't get my hand. I'm trying to help you. That's the thing. Like, he doesn't even get my hand on purpose. He just has no aim at all. His tongue. He stuck it on me. At least I didn't get the teeth first.
Water. Did he get that one?
Yeah. Almost done. Mama's got to feed him the rest. I can't aim anymore. Once I get full, my aim gets worse. Oh, I'm not sticking my finger there. Once I get full, my aim gets so much worse. Did he get it?
No. It's under his foot.
Excuse
He
me.
just took it with it.
Excuse me, squishy. Ready? Get it? Get it? Ready? Get that one. Yay!
Is that it?
Mouse too? Are you still hungry? Huh? Are you still hungry, chunky butt?
He's trying
to
get the screw.
Today on Stupid Eating with Mutombo, Mutombo tries to eat a screw. It's literally a bottomless pit. Mutombo! That is so stupid! Why are you so stupid?
It's the only thing that he can get.
Mutombo, that made me sad. Do you want a mouse? Are you so hungry? Huh? Huh, buddy? Are you too hungry, fat?
I'm gonna put a beatbox thing and make him dancing. Like it. Oh, I'm putting a cricket in it because he's dancing.
Now we gave up.
Well, that'll be funny for the YouTube video. We do like an FGTV thing where they just make stuff whenever it's moving and make it dance and add music to it.
It's sketchy! Gonna get nailed. Oh, God. Robin! Got it. No, he just sits there for hours. Because he's got to suck all the juices out.